My name's Ed Harrington. I've been with Casella for 6 years, and I'm a front-end loader driver. When I was a kid, I always had Tonka trucks, and I always liked big trucks and trains and all sorts of stuff like that. And before I got into this, I was doing independent hauling with a pickup and a trailer. And by chance, I came in to dump a load of garbage, and I was offered a job, and it stuck.
Eddie goes basically from Lake George all the way to North Hudson, all the way back down through Washington County. Being in one of the highest tourist areas we service up here in upstate New York, he does an excellent job at keeping it safe.
On a busy day during the summer, it could be upwards of 150 dumpsters. If they have me fill in somewhere else, sometimes we're doing up to 1,000 trash cans or totes on a single run. I'm pretty good at navigation and pretty good at finding my way around, and it feels like a good fit for me.
Eddie will go the extra mile. We hear that all the time. If there's extras on the side of a can, or there's a can that needs to be reloaded, or if there's an abundance of trash at some stop because they had a big weekend like 4th of July or a car show, Eddie here go the extra mile to get them cleaned up.
I usually start right around 4 just to get everything prepped and ready to roll. I interact with a lot of the hotel people, the janitors and the maids that clean up and bring out the trash. Right behind us is the Lake George Steamboat Company. That's where they launch the ferries and they do tours of the lake. They have 2 dumpsters during the summertime. They're serviced twice a week.
So he's the first one to call to see who needs help, if anybody needs him on the route. So we're really happy to see that. He really does work as a team member.
It gives me a sense of pride because right out of the gate, they gave me one of the busiest and one of the most challenging areas, and they were willing to put their chips on me.
Ed is pleasant. He's good with his customers. He's a happy person. He has one of our highest tourist areas of Lake George, and he just does an excellent job.